Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Reddit account. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Reddit application and log into your account using your email address and your password, then you will be taken to the home page. Now from the home page, if you look around in your profile section and the settings option, you will not be able to find an option to delete your account. So in order to delete your account, simply open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store on your device and then just use the search box to search for Reddit. Once you find the Reddit application, just tap on it and then scroll down until you see App Support. From the App Support page, tap on the drop-down menu and now you can simply tap on the email option to send an email to Reddit in regards to getting support for your account deletion. Now within this email, just type in delete my account within the subject, and then within the body simply type in that you don't wish to use Reddit anymore and that you want your account to be deleted. Also mention your username and then you can simply send the email to the Reddit developer team. Once the Reddit support team replies to your email, you will be able to follow the instructions within your email to delete your account. That is how you can delete your Reddit account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.